Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel to Tech. In today's unboxing video, we are going to unbox Elgato 4K60S Plus game capture device. I'm also going to download Elgato 4K game capture utility software from the website. I will show you the complete guide of installation, how to download the software from the website, and also going to show you the software interference and the game recording as well. And I will show you the setting inside the SD card as well. I'm going to connect Elgato 4K60S Plus with a PlayStation 5 and with the TV, and I'm going to record with SD card and also inside the laptop using the 4K utility software. I will show you everything. So before we start the video, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and like the video. So let's begin with the unboxing first. So let's open up this. I'm going to use a knife to open up the bag. So it's well securely packed. So as you can see, the box also been wrapped up in the bubble wrap to keep secure the device inside the box. So let's put this bag on the side and take out the bubble wrap from the box. So let's put this bubble wrap on the side as well. This is Elgato 4K60S Plus game capture device. As mentioned on the box, this one can record 4K HDR video, and this one also can record inside the SD card as a standalone without a laptop and PC. And this one can record in HEVC, and because this one have its own encoder inside. So this game capture card can record gameplay inside the SD card using its own encoder. You don't need a laptop or PC to connect and record the gameplay. So you can just directly record the gameplay inside the SD card, plug into the device. So let's open up the box. So there is one more box inside this. So first of all, we have a user manual quick start guide. So inside this booklet, all proper guidance has been given how to connect the game capture card with your PC, with the laptop using the cables, and how to record inside your laptop using 4K Elgato game capture utility. And also is being mentioned in here with the picture how you can record game inside the SD card. So let's put the booklet on the side. So here first of all we have the game capture card. So finally this is a game capture card device as mentioned on the box as well. So here we got one SD card slot to record the game inside the SD card, and here is one capacitive touch button to start and stop the recording, and we also have 3.5 mm microphone input, so you can separately edit your mic and record your voice as a commentary while playing the game. So on the back we have one power input USB-C connecting with the main power supply, one HDMI 1 coming from the PlayStation, and one is HDMI 2 going to the TV, video signal coming from the PlayStation 5 going through this HDMI and through the device to the TV, another USB-C connection to connect with your laptop. So let's put this one on a side for a moment. So check more content inside the box. So first of all we have a USB-C to USB-A wire to connect with the PC, and we have another USB-C to USB-A to connect with the power cable, and we have HDMI 2.1 cable, and there's nothing else inside the box. We have a one brown box. I think this one have a plug inside. So this one is a power plug. So as you can see, this one also provide us few different input plugs to use with the power supply. So I'm living in the UK, so I'm using the 3-prong plug to attach with the power adapter. Inside the box we go 3 cables, 2 USB-C to USB-A, 1 HDMI cable, and 1 power plug with some extra to use this power cable in different countries. First of all, I'm going to show you how to download 4K capture utility, and I'm going to walk through the software. So first of all, we search in the Google search engine Elgato 4K utility, and it will give you the first link to download the software. So you open the first link and you will get this kind of interference of the website. Here you can download software for the MacBook or for the window. So I'm using the window. I will select the window option, and on this drop down menu you can select the desired product, the software you're looking for. So I'm using the Elgato 4K60S Plus. So here the version of Elgato 4K utility is 1.3.7 as shows here. Click on the download button and it will download it to your PC. I already downloaded and installed, so let's open up. I already also attached the cables with the capture card devices, USB-C through the laptop and HDMI cables from the PlayStation and to the TV as well. So as you can see in the 4K utility software, the image video signal coming from the PlayStation shows right into the software, which is also shows on our TV. So let's check the software interference. This is the main capture window, and next option is a library. Let's check this one. Inside this option you will see some more option available. Sort out your gameplay and store the small and long video clips inside the software. Save folder. So on the right top corner there is a setting option. If you click this one, you will see the first window open says general. Here is some setting for the streaming if you are streaming online and your gameplay, and there's another option on the another option called device. When you open this one, first of all you will see connected device. We are using Elgato 4K60S Plus. This one also shows where version and video input is 2160p, which is 4K resolution, and this one also shows HDMI audio. So this audio is being playing through the HDMI, which is capturing into our software. And there is another tab called colors. Here you can adjust some of the video color. So next option is recording. In this option you can record your gameplay in your desired folder. Here's some of the information for the video, for the images, like a screenshot of the gameplay. Whenever you record the video, this is going to record inside this folder. I'm already made the folder name 4K Elgato. I'm going to use same folder for the video recording and the screenshot. Here with this option you can adjust your video bit rates. For the YouTube video recording you have a minimum requirement of 45 MB for the display of good quality video on the YouTube. So here is minimum says 68 MB. So between 45 MB to 68 MB is a good video quality. I'm selecting the minimum of 68 MB per second. So it will show 1 hour clip would be 38 GB. So next tab is for the mic input setting. Some people are using their own microphone for the adding commentary to the gameplay directly while they are playing or streaming online. So you can plug your microphone directly into the device or using a OBS software, so you can edit up your video whichever way you like. So but they have the option to record directly inside the device as well and mix up the audio. So on the main capture page we have the video start and stop button, and we also have a flashback recording going on in here. It is maximum 2-hour flashback recording. If you have missed a clip of recording, so you can go back and record and see your gameplay. So let's start recording, and we will check the recorded clip inside the laptop folder. So let's stop the recording and open up the folder where we save the video clip. So here is the clip which we are recorded. As you can see, this is a 4K resolution and is a record. So now I'm going to show you how you can record inside the SD card choosing just the device without the laptop. So I connected this one with the power plug, and I'm going to use the ScanDix 32 GB SD card at the moment. I have unplugged the USB-C cable from the laptop. So because I'm going to use this this one just inside the device. When you insert your SD card inside the device, so this capacitive touch button blink up in the red, says ready to record. So when you're recording inside the SD card, so it's automatically create a recording information file inside. You can see all the recording attributes and you can later edit as well. So as you can see, I'm recording inside the SD card. This device shows on the screen resolution is changed again. So because it's working as a standalone, I can adjust the brightness and some of the setting before I can start recording inside the SD card in a standalone mode without the laptop. So they're setting a little bit different. So let's start the recording inside the SD card. So as far as I know, this is the only standalone device from Elgato. You can record inside the SD card as a standalone. So video is recording inside the SD card. Stop the recording and take the SD card out and insert to our laptop and check the video file. So here is the folder inside our SD card. As you can see, the device have created one folder and one text file. This one have all the attribute of recording of the video and the audio and the mic input. So you can edit up this one as well. So let's open up quickly and have a look at the information inside. As you can see, the device already created the text file. You can edit this one. For example, the video size you would like to record. So this text file mentioned all the guidance inside how to use the information. So for example, here is the video recording in MKV file. I would like to use in MP4, so I can edit faster in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I would like to use this one. So this option here mentioned to record MP4 video file, and its video encoder setting is H.264. So if you like to record in HDR video, you can select H.265, which is a little bit higher resolution, better video quality. So as you can see, I'm going to adjust the video file size to 55 MB so I can able to save some of the space inside my hard drive. So also I can edit up the video faster because it would be in smaller size even in a 4K video. There's a few more options inside here. You can play along and according to your desired setting. Now let's open up the video file. So as you can see, this is the video file we are playing is being recorded inside the SD card.
One down. The enemy's taken the lead. Hostile mosquito is online.
Don't shoot me, you bastard! Take an effective fire!
Hostile care package.
So if you like to watch the gaming walkthrough video, you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel Toheed GameX, the link in the description, and also you can join me on the TikTok live streaming, both link in the description. So thank you very much for watching my unboxing video and guide through video tutorial. So I will see you in next video. Thank you very much for watching.